Science 4, Quarter 3, Third Periodic Test Reviewer, Version 1. Direction: read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which of the following materials is an example of a rigid object? Number 2. What happens to a soft object like a balloon when you squeeze it? Number 3. If you push on a soft object like a dough, what will most likely happen? Number 4. What happens when you try to bend a metal rod, which is a rigid object? Number 5. Which of these actions will most likely change the shape of a soft object, like clay? Number 6. What happens when two magnets are brought close to each other with opposite poles facing? Seven. Which of the following materials is most likely to be attracted by a magnet? Number 8. What is the main property of a magnet that allows it to affect other objects without touching them? Number 9. If you place a magnet near a paper clip, what will most likely happen? Number 10. Which of the following is an example of how magnets can affect objects without being in direct contact? (11) What happens when you push a ball on the ground? (12) When you pull on a rubber band, what happens to the shape of the rubber band? (13) Which of the following actions will most likely cause an object to change direction? (14) What happens when you squeeze a soft clay ball? (15) If you push a toy car gently, what's the most likely effect on its speed? (16) What is the term used to describe how far an object moves in a given time? (17) If a car travels 100 meters in 10 seconds, what is its speed? (18) What is the most appropriate tool to measure the distance an object moves? (19) If you measure that a ball rolls 5 meters in 2 seconds, how would you calculate its speed? (20) Which of the following is true if an object is moving faster? 21. Which type of graph would show a stationary object? 22. In a graph showing speed, what does a straight upward sloping line indicate? 23. What would a graph of an object moving at a slow, uniform speed look like? 24. Which graph represents an object moving faster as time passes? 25. If you want to create a graph that shows an object speeding up, which type of line would you draw? 26. Which of the following is an example of light energy? 27. What is a source of sound energy in a school? 28. Which of the following is an example of heat energy? 29. At home, which of the following would most likely to be a source of light energy? 30. Where might you find heat energy being used in a local community? 31. Which of the following is a source of light energy at school? 32. What energy is produced when a radio plays music? 33. Which of the following is an example of heat energy used at home? 34. Which of the following is an example of sound energy in the local community? 35. What kind of energy is being used when a kettle boils water? 36. Which of the following is an example of light energy used at home? 37. What type of energy is being used when you hear a car horn honking in the street? 38. What energy is produced when you sit next to a heater during winter? 39. In the local community, what is an example of light energy being used? 40. What energy is produced when you turn on a radio and hear music? 'That's all for now. Thanks for watching.